Today we are exploring the topic of the top 5 best programming languages to learn. A programming language is an artificial language that can be used to control the behavior of a machine, particularly a computer. Starting with the number 5, PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language designed for web development, particularly well-suited for creating dynamic and database-driven websites. At the number 4, C#. C# is a versatile programming language developed by Microsoft, commonly used for building Windows applications, web services, and games. At the number 3, JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language primarily used for front-end web development, enabling interactive and dynamic elements on websites. At the number 2, Python. Python is a popular, high-level programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and a vast range of applications, including web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. At the number 1, Java. Java is a versatile and widely used programming language known for its platform independence and strong object-oriented programming capabilities.